Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. What do you think about this frock? Actually, it's not a frock. It's a gift dressed as a frock. Isn't it amazing? Now let me tell you how to go about it. Take the box you want to gift wrap. Take a crepe paper. Measure and cut accordingly. The paper should be long enough to cover the box like this. Tape it around. Now for the upper part of the frock, we'll be wrapping it in a printed gifting paper. We'll be using plain crepe paper for the frills of the dress. Since we'll be making pleats of this section, so it requires extra long length of paper. Cut the width according to the size of the frock you want to keep, including the printed part. Now fold the paper and cut a slight V side on both sides of one edge of the paper. This is going to serve as our guide to fold the pleats in symmetry. Now spread the paper. Put your finger on the V cut and push it slightly halfway under the paper. Keep taping as you move ahead. This will form pleats in symmetry. Now you see why we took such a long piece of paper. Because once the frills will be ready, the length of the paper will be shortened. Now we are ready with the frills of the frock. To make the belt of the dress, I'll be using a strip of chart paper. Measure the size of the belt to the box you want to wrap. Cut the size required. I'll be folding both the edges lengthwise inward. The structure of my belt is ready. Now I'll be pasting few stones on it to decorate it. If you don't want to go with the belt concept, you can tie a ribbon across with a bow. That will also look very nice. This is finally done. Now we need 2 square pieces of crepe paper to make the sleeves of the dress of our gift box. Since the crepe paper is very soft, the frills and the sleeves come out very nicely with this paper. Let me explain how I made the sleeves. Fold the paper into half. Mark the center. From one half, fold the paper in pleat form twice towards the center. Now from the other half, 1 and 2. fold the pleats and tape it so that it stays that way. Cut off to give it a little finishing. Both the sleeves are almost done. I would like to give a little design at the neck of the dress too. You can be innovative and give a design of your own. I'll be making a bow with this paper. Take a rectangular piece of paper, fold it lengthwise, mark the center. Now cut it into the triangle shape with the base of the triangle at the open ends. Now fold the outer edges towards the center and tape it. Now from the front side, cut the extra paper in the shape of the bow that you got. Almost done. I'll be pasting a stone here. I'll be keeping the bow aside now. I have used double tape behind the belt so that it holds the edges together, and the crepe paper frill can be pasted too. While doing this, I realized I shouldn't have taken off the paper at once. Do keep in mind to remove it part by part as you keep pasting the frill. Paste cello tape at the joint of the frill. I'll be using double tape again to hold the belt. Using double tape is convenient. If you use a glue, you have to hold it for a while so that it gets pasted. Using double tape is quick. Now for the sleeve part, I'll be pasting a narrow strip of blue paper along the edges of the sleeve to give it a finish and a border look. Both the sleeves are to be done similarly. Now I'll be pasting the bow I had made earlier on this piece of paper. Now this will get pasted here with a glue. Paste both the sleeves also. How did you like the concept of wrapping the gift in a frock style? Our gift is almost ready. It's done. What do you think about this packing? Isn't it a wonderful way to gift pack your item? If you liked my video, hit the like button. Do subscribe and push the bell notification. Your comments and suggestions are always welcomed. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest by the handle Shimmery and Glittery. Remember, Gifting made beautiful with shimmery and glittery. Thank you.